Oh, maybe they're doing one.
Right. I just got from the. You guys can go. You're fine.
Somebody did go on the floor. We're going to this. I swear I'm no.
All right, so good short. I try to come out the elevator with everybody. Dramatic, awesome shot. And guess what didn't happen?
No, the door
closed and we started going up.
The door closed.
The elevator door, and instead of it opening back up, the elevator started going up.
Whoopsie! It's all right. It's all right. That's what these videos are all about, right?
Having fun.
We love it. We love it.
And getting a laugh out of my dad.
That's right. Having fun.
There's no
I'll drive. So, we're gonna head over to the Grand Floridian
Grand Floridian.
for a dinner.
Pro tip if you're coming to Florida at around July 4th weekend. They always do their big fireworks on the 3rd and the 4th of July. And I say that because trying to get into Magic Kingdom is insane. However, there are some ways around that. You be like us and you make a dinner reservation. You go to the dinner reservation and you get to park at one of the hotels, Polynesian, Contemporary, or the Grand Floridian. And then after dinner, hang around for a little bit. Fireworks typically start at 9?
9 o'clock, yeah.
9-ish. And they're the most spectacular fireworks you'll see because they are the 3D ones. And they 3D ones, 360 ones. Sorry, not 3D.
That's staying in the video.
360 ones, and they're my absolute favorite. I think they do them for July 4th and New Year's. Do they do it for New Year's? I think for New Year's, but definitely July 4th. And whether the kids are with us or Renee and I are together on a date, we like to come and watch the fireworks on the 3rd because the 4th is so extra crowded, lots of people, and I just like doing it on the 3rd. It's still crowded, don't get me wrong, but I don't know, I like doing it on the 3rd. My favorite spots are at the, well, this will be our first time at Grand Floridian, so we'll have to see. But definitely my favorite spot so far has been the Polynesian because you get to see all of the fireworks. We did the Contemporary last year.
Which was awesome.
It was very awesome, but it was limited to what you saw as far as the 360 fireworks. So I definitely have to say the year before we did Polynesian, and that was my favorite because you got to see like everything. But I did enjoy last year because we had Eli and go like the light's green, go. We had Eli and we did dinner at Chef Mickey's, and then we ran into some friends that were staying there, so that was a lot of fun. Tara Lynn was in Jamaica with no power last year because they had just had that hurricane, and she was on a mountain, and yeah, that's where she was. We couldn't get her.
She was on a church mission trip.
She was on a mission trip, but when she came back, she said it was the best time she had. So I'm like, praise God, you were safe. But yeah, so this year I'm excited. We're doing dinner at the Grand Floridian. We're actually having it at the Grand Floridian Cafe, which we've never eaten there before, so I'm excited to try it for one, and then two, just kind of walk around. We love the Grand Floridian, and check out the fireworks tonight. Like this time we're staying at Port Orleans French Quarter, And so if you're staying at a resort especially like on a holiday weekend, and you have family in the area, that would not be the time to invite that family, because they're not going to let them come and hang out at the pool. They can come and visit you at the property, say they want to get some beignets, because those beignets are delicious. But they cannot go to the pool because they give everybody a wristband. We got our wristband today, and then they change the wristbands every day. So Disney smart, and they're not gonna let you use the same one choice.
Alright, so a funny thing happened on the way to the reservations. I left something in the hotel, so I'm gonna have to go back and get it. So yeah, that happened. Hopefully next scene would be us somewhere in the Grand or eating. It's gonna be a thing. Let me see if the snap thing works. Hold on. And alright, so like I said, we're at the Grand Floridian Hotel.
She's drawing.
And we're at the Grand Floridian Cafe.
I'm drawing.
Sam.
Sam.
And my phone.
Anyways, so yeah, like I said, we're going to be here. We're going to eat something, and then we're going to take you guys to go see the fireworks with us, okay?
If they have them.
If they have them, because it doesn't look that great outside.
It looks like it's got a ring.
Store.
I can't wait to show you our meals.
Ten out of 5.
1,000,000 out of 10.
So it was good, huh? Ashley, what did you think of your dinner?
It was delicious. I had this steak with the fingerling potatoes. Delicious. Steak cut like butter. Had very good flavor. So, loved it. Would totally recommend.
Tara Lynn had the same thing, and I had the Cajun pasta with chicken. Delicious.
No, I'm in a mouse-cedo.
You're in a mouse-cedo.
Like a tuxedo?
That's funny.
I rate that joke
These
a 9 out of 10.
Right?
Oh, sorry.
All right, so guess what is going on?
It's raining tacos.
It's raining tacos.
The sky.
We're gonna go with tacos.
I just want to cry.
I don't have to edit them in.
Wanna.
No, look.
All right, so we kind of decided to do a little something since we're over here at by the Grand. We're going to that new DVC. pretty awesome. It's the DVC Resort.